hand me those pliers. I'm just going to take and sit these over here for right now. And you gotta clean it out every now and again. We'll just clean this off the best we can with this, and then we'll take the brush along with this. So after that's all tidied up, just take this in at an angle. It just sits down over here. Okay, just sits in there. Okay, there's a little tab there, and there's a little tab in front here that it tucks behind. Okay, and then it just sits down on these two little tabs. That's it. And after that, just put your grates back in. It's cleaned up. So the biggest thing is getting that spent wood out of the bottom. There you go, all done.